You guys catching anything? You wanna see something cool? I'll do something cool for you. I'll do it. I got your thumbs up? Okay. So ever since we got the FRS all back up and running with the Rocket Bunny kit on the nice 3-piece wheels, you guys have wanted to see me drift it. And although I'm not going to trailer it just yet to OSW, we're gonna come out to Mexico and have some fun with it, right?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Yeah, not this again. We are joined by my good friends Victor and Mike. Victor should have brought 370Z.
It's decommissioned right now.
Why?
Because I smoked you in racing. I don't want to smoke you in drifting too.
Yeah, all right, okay. We just need to weld the diff and have you send it. Mike, you should have brought the Helicat out.
I brought the fire extinguisher because those brakes gonna be working.
Safety first, right?
No.
So I am a little nervous to drift it on the street when there's curbs around because we got our expensive wheels. But hey, I'm not a little wuss. We're gonna send it. If you saw the last video, you would have known that we installed a set of big brake budget calipers up front. Since we swapped the car over to 5x114, it was a must because we were running into caliper and rotor fitment issues. You know, we don't need all the stopping power in the world, but just enough to have some fun with it. It will really shine though when we go out in tandem, which we're not doing just yet. You know, I don't really want to take this out and have people smash into it. I'm sure we'll get there one day, but not anytime soon.
Rocks too? Yeah. Oh my god, that hurt.
You're paying for the damages.
I know, I just came back to make sure.
I'm so mad.
Did I hit him?
You hurt me.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
You really hurt my car.
Anyone want to hop in?
Yes, me, please. Take the camera. Take the camera.
God.
Take the camera.
Oh, car's coming. Cop's coming. I think it's a cop. Alan, I think it's a cop. I think it's a cop.
Pretend like we're taking pictures.
It's a good call.
It could be an undercover still.
I don't know.
Heavy? No, I don't know what it is.
No, we're just taking photos, right? Right, boys? Right here?
The sun's pretty good right here.
It was him. He did it. See, I like the photo from back here.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good right there.
Did a couple of double takes.
Did he?
Yeah, he did look. Cops in Mexico, huh?
Why they out here? Man, you guys got my heart racing. I'm sitting here thinking,
Hey, it could have been.
listen, I'm a person of color. I'm Mexican. I'm
Ah.
automatically targeted. We're doing this on a Sunday evening just to hopefully minimize the amount of people that are out. Because if we're going to street drift, we're going to do it safe and in an area where there shouldn't be many people. At least we're approaching it in the safest way. If you could say street drifting safe, can you, Victor?
No.
No. Okay, so Mike just told me there's a security guard sitting right there, so we might just need to get out of here. Let's play it safe, do one, and then square.
Play it safe and do one.
Yeah, yeah.
He wants to see a show.
No, or he's on the phone with the cops.
Let's ask him. Are you on the phone?
Okay, so just to play it safe, we put all of Jess's stuff, her purse and everything, in Vic's truck. So as soon as we're done here, we can leave and not worry about getting in trouble with the law. There is some guy sitting in his truck right there, though. Jay, your purse is on top of Victor's spare underwear. What? Yeah, in his Jeep. I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I'm gonna burn that part.
Yeah. we made it smoky enough. Let's get out of here.
Man, that guy just chilling in his truck watching.
Hopefully he's not mad or upset or anything. You gotta drift every once in a while. I mean, the people have been wanting this type of content.
I want this type of content.
Yeah.
My turn?
Yeah. Baby, if you were to hop a curb with these wheels, I'd be so sad.
Well, then I won't hop a curb.
Uh-oh, this guy...
Fishing up here, or is there like...
I don't know.
You hear the thumbs up. Oh, they're fishing.
You guys catching anything? You wanna see something cool? I'll do something cool for you. I'll do it. I got your thumbs up? Okay. Uh-oh. Well, I think I just misfired the engine to crap trying to show off for that guy. But hey, maybe we made his day. Yeah, look at that. Check engine light. What did we do now? Okay, well, just rolling up to a stop here, just died on me. You know what? I bet you we popped the vacuum line off the intake manifold underneath. That's a common issue here. It's not wanting to hold an idle, so I bet you that's what happened. I will be interested though to see what that check engine light's for. Oh yeah, see, it's not wanting to idle here. Oh yeah, it's in limp mode. Yep, we triggered limp mode in the FRS. But hey, I'd rather that happen than the engine going pop. Yeah, it died on me again. Can't sit at idle. If it sits at idle, it'll stall. So I'm pretty sure we popped a vacuum line because the car does not want to idle the AC on. Oh well, it's idling right now, which is weird because it was stalling on us, but what I think we need to do is pull the codes and see what's really up with this thing. For our first drift, she did just fine. Good job, car. I don't know what's up with the car. It wanted to idle just fine, but when we were leaving the spot, stopped at a stop sign, the car stalled on me. So I guess this calls for taking apart the intake manifold, inspecting all gaskets, inspect all the clamps, and then make sure that we're not leaking air where we shouldn't be leaking air. So yeah, I don't know, but I'm happy with the first drifts, and you guys better be too.
A little aggressive.
Yeah, aggressive.
Honestly, that's what you get for putting my purse on Victor's underwear.
So you want bad things to happen to the car for my mistake.
I don't want my purse on his underwear.
Why is your underwear in your car, sir?
I'm not wearing it. Well, look.
Money power on the east side, all the shit is getting wild. Can run my baby down.